Hi guys, Dev-initly Mero here. Today we want to work on our rooming system. Let us go to Unreal Engine for that. Here we are. So, what kind of rooming we can build? Yeah. Let us assume this here is a room, all of the space in it. Here's our goal. So, if we want to make a rooming system, we can make paths. So if we want a path point based system, we can make maybe a seer, can put it here, 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 can put it there, 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 and maybe here. So our ghost can now move to one of these waypoints and between them. So we can normally here would be a waypoint 2 because it not collide with the ghost, but now for demonstration purpose we let it like it is. So that's had a big downside. So imagine that all is the house and we have all over rooms. We have to place plenty of these waypoints, and that's not smart. So we could say we place less waypoints. So maybe around here. So then the pattern of the ghost is very restricted. You can go there, there, from here, maybe to there, and that's it. Or even less waypoints. So now we got much less waypoints, but the ghost has mass led options. So this is not what I want to do here. I want the ghost to choose a reachable random point and go to this point. I want to determine the cost he needs to go there. So what I mean with this, we will get our ghost move points. So maybe he has 6 move points. If we choose this position, he has 1, 2, 3 move points to invest to come here. So now he has over 9 move points. So when he arrives this position, he can spend 9 more move points. So we have to look. If he goes from here now to there, he has to use 1, 2, 3, 4 more move points. And he stays with 4 move points. And so on. We will make a move point based system. He can take a random point and move to this. So we have to bring in from time to time back this ghost room. So the player has to change to now, okay, this is his ghost room. So we will tell him with a growing percentage, if he moves farther and farther, he has to go back to his ghost room. So he will be most of the time in his ghost room, but he can't reach possible every point of the map inside the house. Okay, so much to theory. Now let us build it. For that we go into our behavior tree and look for determine target location. Here we are. First we will make it without any move points. We want him to allow to go to a certain point in the map. Control pound with the pound. So connect these 2 points. The destination we want to arrive. We want to use something called Get Random Reachable Point in Radius. So we want to get any reachable range in our radius we use. So let us get first a big radius of 500. And we need our origin for that. And our origin we get from get actor location. There. If I make all right, it should work at this moment. Then let us try. So I press play. So he waits. He has moved. You see, he stands there. Now he stands here, and now he goes there. He choose a random point and move. Now we got a hunt. He comes back to us, and he waits because he has to try interact. He cannot interact with anything now. That's comment in another video, and he move, and we got a hunt. We need a better observation position, like this here. And he moves. You see, it works totally. Now we got 2 missing things. We got no recall, so he not knows how to get back to his starting room. But the rooming, you see, he goes from there to there. He was one time over there. It works like a charm. And here too. And he moves and moves. So now we got what we want. We have set a method. He can move without any waypoints. So we don't have to place them all over the world. But now he has no chance to get back to his origin. Or we can say it with other words, he has no origin. We don't know his origin. So now we can make 2 things. The first thing is we store the ghost room, but we have no ghost room, and I don't want to place a ghost room here because we make our first level in the next step. So for the sake of simplicity, we make here one called home spot. We bring it to a vector 3 or vector, sorry for that. And on event on possess, we want to set it to get actor location. Reference to self. It's project. Yeah, I wrote it wrong. Get actor location. I don't get it here. it could be because we are in the BPAI base, so let us bring it here. And let us make HomeSpot. Let us make vector 3. And get actor location. Yep. And HomeSpot. And this will be the HomeSpot. So now we could say in the determined location, first we want let us make it 50-50. Random float in range. We say a number between 0 and 100. And we say if this number is greater when let us make greater or equals, so we can use the number 50. Because a float had many so here so if the number is 50 or greater, we want to make what we now make. If that not, we want to cast to BP base enemy. Get HomeSpot. If its a number is smaller than 50, we let going back to the HomeSpot. We go here, I will blend it in for you, and we start it. Now let us look what he does. He chooses HomeSpot, and he comes never out because we don't tell him to succeed. And we have to succeed. Success. Check. So now we want him. He did use the HomeSpot, that's okay. No, he used the hunt because he sees us. Let us go over there. And he did move a little. I don't know, you see it. He moved a little. So let us see what he did next. Maybe we have to remove this. We don't need this furthermore. So we go here and look to our friend. Yeah, he moves. You see that? He clearly moves at this point. He moves again. No, he hunts. Goes over there. Now he goes all the way back to his home spot. You see? So we can bring in ever back to his home spot. It would now be nice, I think, if we implement get back home spot maybe after the hunt or something. But for now, we have make a simple rooming function. He can explore the house, but he will ever get back to his home spot. If we make our first level and we have a real room or real rooms, we want to detect in that if we are now in another room or in the ghost room, and with most parameters, we want to hire the change to bring him back to his ghost room. Yeah, I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoy the video. Join the Discord if you want. See ya.